things to know about Bea Alonzo. Over the course of her career, Bea Alonzo has accomplished a wide variety of things. While she may not be widely known to the American audience, she has become a star in her home country of the Philippines and in other parts of the world. From acting and singing all the way to modeling, she has shown that she is capable of doing anything she sets her mind to. Even after spending so much time in the industry, Alonzo hasn't lost her passion for doing the things she loves, and she is still going strong. There are countless people who are excited to see what kinds of things she decides to do next. Let's get into 10 fun facts about Bea Alonzo. 1. She comes from a diverse background. Bea was born and raised in the Philippines. Her mother is Filipino and her father is white British. Her parents separated when she was young and she was raised primarily by her mother. She is the oldest of 4 children and family has always played an important role in her life. 2. She has won several awards. A person's success in the entertainment industry is often measured by the number of awards and other accolades they've won. By that metric, Bea's career has been outstanding. She has won nearly a dozen awards over the years, including a KBP Golden Dove Awards for Best TV Actress. 3. She likes to read. For years, telling stories has been a huge part of Bea's life. Sometimes, however, she likes to be on the other side, and reading is one of her favorite ways to get that feeling. She loves getting lost in a good book, and By the River Pedra, I Sat Down and Wept by Paulo Coelho is one of her favorites. 4. She is a popular YouTuber. The work Bea has done in the entertainment industry isn't the only time she's gotten in front of the camera. Outside of her career, she is a talented content creator who has built a large following on YouTube. Her channel currently has more than 1.8 million followers, and she posts a wide variety of videos including vlogs and pranks. The channel has brought in over 75 million total views. 5. She is all about self-care. Working in the entertainment industry can be hectic and overwhelming, and it can be easy for people to lose sight of themselves. Over the years, Bea has gotten in the habit of prioritizing her self-care. Going to the spa is one of the ways she likes to take care of herself. 6. She loves to travel. The world is full of lots of beautiful places. While it might not be possible to see them all, Bea wants to see as many of them as she can. Fortunately, she has gotten the chance to travel to places all over the world. Some of the countries she's been to are France and Spain. 7. She is a brand ambassador. Throughout her career, Bea has become a very popular figure on social media, and she currently has 9.6 million followers on Instagram. Having a large and engaged following has allowed her to partner with major brands to help advertise their products. She is a brand ambassador for Head & Shoulders and Potency. 8. She enjoys taking pictures. Being in front of the camera is how Bea has made her living, but when she gets free time, she loves stepping over to the other side. She has a great eye for snapping beautiful photos, and she seems to love taking pictures. Her Instagram is full of shots she has taken throughout her travels and other adventures, and her followers seem to really enjoy them. 9. She enjoys trying new foods. We all need food to survive, but all of the foodies out there know that there's much more to food than just sustenance. Food has the power to bring people together and can represent different cultures and traditions. Bea loves trying different dishes, and she also likes to step into the kitchen from time to time and whip up things of her own. 10. She would like to get into comedy. Bea has already shown the world that she can do lots of different things, and there are still things she looks forward to trying. According to the Filipino Times, Bea said, "I would like to explore that side of me, so probably explore the idea of having a talk show, eventually, or doing comedy shows. This would be an interesting shift from her previous work." Inside Bea Alonzo's sophisticated house in Quezon City. Found on a 600 square meter lot, the 3-story celebrity home of the Kapamilya actress has a classic and elegant feel. After living in a condo for many years, the 26-year-old star wanted to experience living in a bigger space. Her interior designer adds that Bea also wanted to have the sophistication of hotels, the coziness of Asian resorts, and the bling factor from glossy finish. The result is a design plan that merges the old with the new, the traditional with the modern. With its steel gates and electrical wire fences, Bea's home looks grand and imposing to any outsider. But it gets some sense of warmth from the stone claddings that imitate the look of stacked cubes of wood. This adds texture and a touch of timeless elegance to any residential or commercial property. The cowhide area rug, purchased from Beau Concept, has squares with varied designs, which create a stunning visual effect against the shiny surface of the marbled floor. This complements the all-white sofa set from Origin's Home Furniture shop in Makati City. Other attention-getters in the living area are the baby grand piano, a colorful metal sculpture on top of a side table. The living area is completed with a necklace-type chandelier from Shop & Style and an abstract painting by national artist for visual arts Arturo Luz, which provides a stark contrast to the predominantly white color scheme of the living space. Gold mosaic tiles and an intricately carved mirror add sparkle to the powder room. Before reaching the formal living room, you have to walk through this short passage, whose walls are inlaid with mother-of-pearl mosaic tiles from HM Trading Philippines and lit by a chandelier. The 10-seater dining table, along with the upholstered chairs tufted with metal details, was purchased from Origin's Home Furniture. The table is made of solid acacia wood. Its base is covered with mirror panels. Notice the table's edge. It's purposely left rough to preserve the charm and natural effect of the original wood. Above the dining table is a crystal chandelier from Victoria Mondiali. The kitchen is equipped with appurtenances that a true foodie/cook lover. A glass ceramic cooktop, a range hood, built-in microwave and convection ovens, an espresso machine, an ice cream maker. It also has a wall-mounted flat-screen TV. These customized cabinets are rendered in what interior designer Giselle calls high-gloss white laminates with subtle wooden color accents. Bea's home office, located on the ground floor, has an old meets new motif. Modern conveniences such as the Mac desktop computer and LED TV are placed near vintage items like the manual typewriter and the phonograph, which she bought from Haima. The blue ottoman that doubles as a table, and the couch and the armless chair with a tufted backrest are all custom-made pieces from Origin's Home Furniture. The framed black and white portraits shot by top photographer Mark Nikdashobi in various poses and at different stages of her life. Bea's dressing area is just meant for her clothes, which, she says, are not that many. All the shoes and bags that she uses for work are kept in another room. The cabinet in the middle is where she keeps her accessories. The crystal chandelier lighting up this space is from the furniture store Lifestyle Meubles. Bea's bag collection includes the brands Prada, Gucci, Tory Burch, Chanel, and Louis Vuitton. As for her shoe collection, Bea owns pairs of stilettos and flats from YSL, Christian Louboutin, Prada, and Gucci. The entertainment area, or as Bea calls it, the second living room occupies the biggest space on the third floor. Favorite place naming Kapamilya. Bea adds, the focal point of this space is the L-shaped sectional sofa from Origin's Home Furniture and the cowhide area rug from Beau Concept. The master bathroom allows Bea to indulge in one of her simple pleasures, long luxurious baths in her immaculate clawfoot tub. She has a tray made of polychina that, when attached to the sides of the tub, serves as a surface where she can place a cup of tea, a book, or scented candles. Bea opted to have her own sauna in her home. Having this kind of room is a clear sign that the mistress of the house is either very busy with her career or is really just a homebody who doesn't go out much. The wingback headboard of Bea's queen-size bed is custom-made. The heavy drapes keep the harsh morning sunlight from getting in and waking up the princess of the house, whose unpredictable work schedule sometimes stretches into the wee hours. As with the other major parts of the house, this bedroom has a chandelier, which Bea purchased from Victoria Mondiali. The backyard is an inviting and cozy sight. That's why most parties and family get-togethers take place here. The backyard has a pleasing image because the three earth colors are present here: blue pool, green grass, and brown columns, shingles. The irregularly shaped pool follows the uneven cut of the lot on which Bea's house stands. At one end of the pool is a waterfall. According to Feng Shui, you are more likely to enjoy a steady flow of blessings if 1. There is a water element in your house and 2. This water element is continuously moving or flowing. The predominantly white color scheme of Bea's stylish living space creates an airy and bright atmosphere and evokes a sense of balance and peace. The best thing about this place, she says, is the feeling of coming in, the feeling of being at ease. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Always take care.